Hello and a very warm welcome to JB CTR 2. So yes, this is my very first video to be uploaded to JB CTR 2. Now, firstly, a massive thank you to all of you who have subscribed to this channel before I've even launched a video, to be fair. Your support is really massively appreciated. Now, if you're new here, my name's Johnny, for one, and I have a reasonable history with YouTube. I've got another channel called JB CTR, and I created that channel because I wanted to make videos about technology and cars, which are my two favourite things. Now, JB CTR, not this channel, the other one, has now gone off on a very slight, not really tangent, but it's gone to follow the world of cars, and I'm really enjoying it. But it's got to the point where it feels a little unnatural to upload a technology video to that channel. So that is where JB CTR 2 comes in. Now, there are a whole load of technology reviews on JB CTR from last year or so, and I wanted to sort of start them up again. So I'll be starting to post them here, but if you want a bit of a sneak peek of what's to come, then here's a little video for you. So there we have it, that's JB CTR 2. If you like what you see and you want to see more, then feel free to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video.